So guys, welcome to the Listen to Book Summary, the channel where we break down world-class books into clear, powerful, and practical summaries. Here we just don't waste time of the listener and also of the speaker. Here you just listen, just hear about books, understand them in the way that sticks for life. And the best part is you don't have to pay anything. It's all free. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I would just request you are already losing access to some of our greatest insight of our time and delivered it straight to you without spending a single rupee or a dollar. Hit that subscribe button now because this weight can change your life. Because every episode could be the one that sparks your next big idea. So now I think that's a good intro for you all. Now I just want to show you that we just not only say but we do what we say. So here now just let's dive into the today's book FinTech for Billions by Bhagwan Chowdhry and Anas Ahmed. Money is no longer just a cash. It's data, it's opportunity, it's power. And in a world where billions are still excluded from the financial system, this book reveals how technology is just changing finance but completely rewriting the meaning of financial freedom. So now stay tuned till end because it isn't the story of apps and transactions. It's about how an entire global economy is being reshaped and why it matters to you. Now from here on we will be just discussing the chapter wise summary and starting with chapter 1 without wasting your time. In this chapter the author describes about the problem of financial exclusion. He told that nearly 2 billion people in the world remains unbanked. That means traditional banking couldn't reach them. Too costly, too distant, too rigid, and there are too distant. FinTech offers a solution, not as a luxury, but as a lifeline. So in chapter 2, they describes about the power of mobile money. If you can send a text message, you can send money. M-Pesa in Kenya proved that mobile phones could become the first branch bank for millions. Suddenly, a simple device became more powerful than a wallet. It's nearly unimaginable to the past, but now it's happening. Now, in chapter 3, they told about the digital identity and trust. Without a legal ID, millions were locked out of finance. Aadhaar in India and blockchain-based system showed that digitalized trust could open doors. They told, I am quoting the word sentence, that trust once digitized multiplies assets exponentially. Now in chapter 4, they mainly discuss about microfinance and beyond. Microfinance gave small loans. FinTech gave global reach from peer-to-peer lending apps to mobile-based credit for women entrepreneurs, and technology made capital not just accessible but deeply personal. And finally, in the last chapter, in chapter 5, the future of fintech for billions was discussed. AI, blockchain, cross border payments. This is the next stage. But one thing is very, very clear. Without financial literacy, tools remains unused. They told that technology can open the door, but education helps people walk through it. I think this line is self explanatory. Oh, and so I'm gonna finally wrap the major points and major closing statement. You can see that, and from the unbanked villages to digital wallets, one truth shines through: financial inclusion isn't a dream, it's already happening. The real question is, will you just watch? Will you play a part in it? If you enjoyed this breakdown, remember here at Listen to Book Summary, we bring you the clarity, insight, and life changing knowledge from the world's best book. Don't let this golden lesson slip away. Hit that subscribe button right now because missing out here means losing value that others are getting for free. This is Listen to Book Summaries signing off with one powerful reminder from this book. Finance is no longer about banks, it's about billions. See you in the next episode.